Hello friends, today we are going to very close to the end of the chapter. So today I am going to explain this video by using the software, and I hope you will watch it and give me the response either it is do you like or not. So please listen me carefully and watch it carefully. If you don't like such kind of method, I will explain it on the board. How does a capacitor store energy? That means what is the energy of a capacitor? So you have two conductors in a capacitor. Here you have two plates of the conductors, and both have different charges. One has positive charge and second has the negative charge. So you have to imagine that a process of transferring charge from one plate to another. That means from the plate of negative charge, the charge moves from the negative charge plate to the positive charge plate. That means from conductor 1 to conductor 2 to conductor 1. Conductor 2 માંથી charge conductor 1 પર જાય છે. That means positive charge are moving from negative charge plate to the positive charge plate. So you have to do work to send this charge from plate 2 to plate 1. So this transferring positive charge from conductor 2 to conductor 1 work will be done. I told you that when you are taking or sending the charge from the negative charge plate to the positive charge plate, so you have to do some kind of work, because a positive charge can oppose that charge which is coming towards the plate. So you have to apply the force to move it. So here work is done, and because at any stage conductor 1 is at a higher potential than conductor 2. It means the plate 1 has higher potential. That means there is a difference between two plates, potential difference V dash between two conductors. 1 to 2 is V dash is equal to Q dash upon C. See, you have, I told you that here your charges, positive charges are moving from one plate to another plate, and that's why at this plate the potential is higher than this one, and that means here V plus and minus V minus. So this both potential, or V1, suppose it is written in this way, V1 minus V2 is equal to V dash. So this one the potential difference between two plates, and it is indicated over here, V dash is equal to Q dash upon C. And now assume that a small charge delta Q dash is transferred from 2 to 1. This one is 2 and this one is 1. So here delta Q dash is transferred. So we are doing some work, and that is delta W. So delta W is work done to send the charge delta Q dash from plate 2 to plate 1. Now you can see it is also now written dW is equal to V dash C, dW is equal to V dash delta Q dash. This equation we already understood earlier. Now V dash is equal to Q dash upon C dW. It is written dW. Here dQ dash. So dW is equal to Q dash upon C. dW is equal to Q dash upon C dQ. Now taking integration both sides, here 1 upon C is Q dash dQ dash, limit 0 to Q. So this limit is over here given 0 to Q, and 1 power is added, and the result of adding is in denominator 1 plus 1 2 upon 2. So Q dash square upon 2. So we got the result this one. W is equal to Q square upon 2C. Now this work, electrostatic force is conservative. This work is stored in the form of potential energy of the system of two conductors. So અહીંયા આગળ જે એક પ્લેટ ઉપરથી બીજી પ્લેટ ઉપર ચાર્જને લઈ ગયા અને એના માટે જે વર્ક કરવું પડ્યું એ વર્ક આ બે પ્લેટના બનેલા કેપેસિટરમાં પોટેન્શિયલ એનર્જીના ફોર્મમાં સ્ટોર થાય. Now you know that Q is equal to CV. So put here the values. So U is equal to C square V square upon 2C. So this one is cut. So now you got the value 1/2 CV square. So in other equivalent form of this equation is Q is equal to CV. That means Q is equal to 1/2 CV square. C is equal to Q upon V. When replacing one value from another, so it is U is equal to 1 upon C, 1/2 CV. So you have, there are three different form of U. U is equal to Q square upon 2C. U is equal to 1/2 CV square, and third one is equal to Q upon V. It is 1/2 QV. These three kinds of formula, please remember, these are very important for the numericals. And बेटा कोई टेस्ट नहीं आपतु, एक गलत वस्तु है. दरेक जन टेस्ट आपो तमने खबर पड़शे कि तमने शुं आवड़े छे, नहीं तो पहला वखतना टेस्ट जेवुं ज थशे. प्लीज अटेन्ड द टेस्ट राइट एट 11:30. रोज दरेक टेस्ट माटेना विडियो अने क्वेश्चनरी तमने मोकलवामां आवशे ज. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.